So, I've been using Elevenlabs for almost a year now. And in this video, I am going to share my honest and unbiased opinion on this tool. Before getting started with Elevenlabs, I was using various text-to-speech tools like Revoicer, Muff AI, Big Speech, and many others. But all of their voices were emotionless and robotic, which I thought was the best in the market. That's when my editor recommended me to use Elevenlabs. At that time, I thought it was just another text-to-speech tool in the market. I checked the reviews on Trustpilot, and they were below average. Some of them were awful, but I still give it a try. And that was the best decision I can make. Elevenlabs caught my attention at first glance. Unlike other text-to-speech tools, Elevenlabs understands the context behind the sentences, and then it adds emotions to the sentence. This simple process makes a massive difference between other AI voices and Elevenlabs. Of course, there are other AI tools that follow the same process, and some of them do it better than Elevenlabs too. For example, there is a tool called Well Said Labs, and then there is another tool called Play.ht, which offers better quality than Elevenlabs. But they have their own limitations. If we talk about Well Said Labs, it is way more costlier than Elevenlabs. Not to mention the limited number of voices, which doesn't justify its pricing. We also have Play.ht, but it is not as easy to use as Elevenlabs. Apart from audio quality, Elevenlabs also offers a vast library of human-sounding voices. You can literally go to the voice library and select any voice of your choice. Heck, you can even create your own unique voices. When I first started using Elevenlabs, it only had the text-to-speech feature. But now they offer many other features like AI dubbing, speech-to-text feature, text-to-sound effects, and voice cloning features, etc. This constant improvement sets Elevenlabs apart from other tools and makes it a complete AI voice generation tool. I admit that there are many areas to improve, but if we compare it with other AI tools, Elevenlabs is far ahead in the game. Another important thing you need to understand is that there are not many tutorials available on Elevenlabs, which is why people are having trouble using this software. Even if you visit their website, you won't find much information. The customer support is almost non-existent. But the good news is that I have been using this tool for almost a year now, and during this time, I have figured out all the adjustments that produce ultra-realistic and human-sounding audio from Elevenlabs. I have added all the details in this document. If you want to effectively use Elevenlabs, this document is a must-have. I will leave this document in the video description so that you can easily follow this and create lifelike voices inside Elevenlabs. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.